like spreading.
Best way to keep your balance.
Yeah, exactly.
Tasty coasters.
Good.
They taste so good.
Tasty coasters.
Especially when you put them on the table, let them collect dust. Stick them right in your mouth. It's a delicious afternoon snack. Yeah, get them good and dirty.
Hey, Munchkin. Munchkin. Head away from the table. Here, I'll hand them to you. There you go.